Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. I'm Roly.
I'm Emery. I'm 8.
I'm Brooklyn. I'm 9. And today we are going to give you our room tour.
And we're in California.
Indio, California.
Yeah.
And we should show you how big our balcony is because we're sitting on our balcony right now.
We have one of the biggest rooms.
Yeah, like one of the biggest rooms. And there's two pools.
It's called the Pimp Daddy Suite. That's what Daddy calls it.
Yeah, that's what. But we have two pools right near us, two hot tubs near
And
us.
a lazy river.
Yes,
and a
lazy
kiddie pool.
And a kiddie pool. Two.
Yeah, 2 kiddie pools.
But yeah, we are right next to one pool, thankfully. Right there.
Yeah, we're gonna go in the lazy river and maybe take you guys with us.
Yeah, but so should we start our room tour?
Yes.
Okay,
Can I
we'll meet
hold
you
it?
guys at the front door. Bye. So we just made it to our door.
Yeah.
They're
right.
double doors.
Wait, I
Yeah. Okay. And Emery's gonna lead you.
And then when you walk in, there's all this open thing. And then right here's a closet with a fire hydrant extinguisher.
It's actually really dark in there.
And then there's a closet and then this little table and a picture. And then when you walk into your this one,
Left.
left, you can see our aunt and uncle's bathroom.
Turn
They're
on the
not
light.
here yet though. There's a
We're gonna
big
pick them
shower.
up today.
Yeah, and then a toilet and the sink. And then
There you
Yeah.
go.
yeah, there you are. And then so let's turn off the light. Our grandma's in there, but we'll show you after. We'll show you
Okay, it's really dark.
Here's
in
our
this hallway.
aunt and uncle's room. Yeah. They have a good view of the balcony. Lucky.
Okay, our balcony is like the size of this hotel room.
And then in here is the closet, suitcase holder, some hangers.
It's so dark in there.
Yeah. And then they have a TV and some cabinets. And then there's twin beds and a cabinet with a lamp. Moving on to your right, you would see a mirror and some cabinets right here. And then over here is the living room. There's a big TV. Fireplace.
There's our mom and dad.
Chairs, a couch, a coffee table,
Say hello to
side
everyone.
tables,
Hello.
something, cabinet, something, maybe fireplace, something weird, dude. I'll go and answer
Yeah,
the
we're
boss,
still figuring. Gosh, we're still trying to figure out what this is. Looks like it can open. Oh my gosh, it's cracked right there.
or it's just a hair.
No, it's cracked. I'm really gonna touch it.
Over here, show them the balcony at the end.
Okay, so there's this really cool spot that's like where you can take a picture, and it's just like in the corner. It's just like in a corner, and it's got red curtain all around it.
Into a secret door to the balcony. We'll show you that later. And then moving on to our right, there's
My mom's getting ready to go to the pool.
We have peppermints when we went to a Mexican restaurant last night.
Huh.
Dining table, and then here's the kitchen with the marble counter. Afraid once when I was outside and it was night, and my sister and grandma were here. My sister was sitting on the counter, and then she looked away, and then she heard crash, whoop, and then she saw her dad sitting on the ground with this freezer bar in his hands, like pulled off. I hope you hotel managers are hearing this. Yeah.
But technically what she's trying to say is that he pulled the freezer bar off and he was expecting to like pull it hard, but he just pulled it right off and he sat right down.
And then, so this is the kitchen, oven, dishwasher, sink, and then there's an ice stool. And look at these chairs. This part isn't fuzzy, the gold part, but this black is. So then right here's a little mirror. Hey! Oh, and by the way, I want to show you my giraffe earrings. I got these at Claire's. You guys probably remember. If you didn't watch the video, that's fine. But the video where I get my ears pierced. So anyway, to your right, there's a laundry room. Is there a laundry room? Cabinet.
Not that pretty.
And then right forward is my sister and my bathroom. There's a toilet, shower, and the cabinet just like our in uncle.
You guys are. I'm sorry. I just hit you guys on the faucet. I'm sorry.
So that was a big crime. Got paid. There's a really weird picture.
Of a golf cart.
Hey, that says that famous lady's name on it.
It does?
Yeah.
No, that doesn't say it. Yeah.
And then here's me and my sister's room. This is my bed with Cuckoo, Bubbles, and Pink Monkey, and then Sophie's out there.